there's a better way of making money in less time. And that's why we went into the plastics, the kitchens, all of the other stuff. I didn't get rid of decorating, but what I did is I moved it to the side, and then I kept doing other things like kitchens paid well, very well. UPVC paid very well, so I concentrated on pushing them because I'd already grown a massive customer base for decorating, so I didn't need to push that anymore. That was already there. So what I did is I went back to decorating when it paid better. But when you're just doing decorating, it's like, Russ, you're quoting a job. You know that other people are quoting the job. You know the decorators are going to be generally cheaper. And if you want to earn serious money, you've got to go somewhere else. But the problem is, if you're just stuck in that, your quoting structure is so tight. But if you start adding more strings to the bow, then you can always go, well, if I don't get that, I'll go back and do that. Doesn't matter. My missus said to me at the time, she said, why are you doing just, why are you decorating? Because your wages are doing this. Then you go back to decorating, then you go back to the new PVC, then you go back, then you go to kitchens. And I think in my head, I was like, yeah, why am I doing that? Do you know what I mean? So what we did is we put it on the back burner, and when a decent job come in that I actually wanted to do, I would go back to decorating again. So say that someone said to me, can you paint this massive conference room in a hotel? And it'd be like, right, you're looking at about 20 grand's worth of work here. You go, sound. Then you go back. But the horses and landing jobs was just don't pay their bills. That's the problem. When you weigh it all up, the way the country's gone and the amount of money you've got to spend, if you're on £200 a day, mate, you're just surviving.
Yeah,
that's
100%,
the point.
yeah.